Hi everyone and welcome back. Let's get right to it. This is my own creation here. I made some shells with a chorizo sauce. I was on a chorizo kick. So here we go. Salted water, shells, boil. For the sauce, peel your chorizo. And then cut it up. Put it in the chopper. Chop it up nicely. Little onion. Cut up and chopped up together with the chorizo. Some butter and some extra virgin olive oil. Some garlic. I love me garlic. Some red pepper flakes. Add the chorizo and onions. Sauté. Incorporate everything together. Like I said, my own creation. I have some leftover packets of Parmesan cheese from Olive Garden, so I used it. Why not? Instead of throwing it out, right? And I believe I used Gouda cheese on this one. So pour that pasta into the sauce. Incorporate it. Add the slices of cheese. You can use any cheese you'd like, of course. And I put the Parmesan. I'm gonna mix it well. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers that I have got this last month. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And there you have it. This was absolutely delicious. My own creation. So go ahead and make it. You can substitute the chorizo for ham if you want. Let me know how you do. Enjoy it. Let me know if you make it. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell for the next video. Thank you and have a great week.